This course is one of my personal favorites, which has been designed with so much love and care, and especially excitement that I get to share how easy it can be to paint fairies as beautifully whilst discovering your personal style. Painting with the fairies is not just painting. They remind you when you were a child how you gave yourself the freedom to explore and be anything when you paint. Before students have worked with us, they have said they don't feel confident how to use or be creative with painting, and especially how to fix their mistakes. The 3 components to this module start with very simple steps: how to draw your fairies on the canvas. The second part will give you access to paint with my 7-step formula, how to make your fairies look 3-dimensional, create the etheric and atmospheric look. And the last part shows you how to apply the 7-step formula to the various painting techniques, so you can become the confident fairy painter. Shut off all distractions, explore and follow the steps, giving you everything you need to start challenging and creating your unique fairies. I'm so excited to know what you paint in time and effort, and you will be creating the fairies in the world you never forget.